Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an active Nintendo Switch Online membership and a paired headset with a working mic. Open Mario Kart 8, sign into your profile, then enter the lobby for multiplayer. Once there, navigate to the communication or voice settings and turn voice chat on. This allows your voice to route through the Switch or the Switch Online mobile app. Do this now so you avoid last-minute delays when inviting friends and starting races. Once done, create or join a private room and invite teammates so you control who hears you. Make sure you select whether voice runs in-game or through the Switch Online mobile app. Choose the one that matches your headset connection. Then fine-tune mic sensitivity and speaker volume so racers hear instructions, but background noise is reduced. If someone sounds distant, ask them to switch from Bluetooth to a wired connection or to move closer to their mic to improve clarity during hectic races. You're ready to race. Start the match and use voice to call outs. Short commands are best during frantic segments. Make sure you know how to mute and unmute quickly from the lobby or controller to avoid broadcasting background noise. If voice drops or no one can hear you, first check app microphone permissions and that your Switch or phone is on the same network. Then power cycle the headset or the devices. As a single troubleshooting tip, restarting the Switch or the Switch Online app often restores voice functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.